Hi everyone, welcome back to BikeScout. Today, we've got a unique and exciting bike to talk about, the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro. If you're a fan of classic styling with modern performance, this bike is definitely something you'll want to check out. Suzuki has brought back a retro-styled motorcycle that combines nostalgia with practicality, making it perfect for daily commuting and casual weekend rides. Let's start with what's under the hood. The 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 is powered by a 124cc, single-cylinder air-cooled engine that puts out around 11 horsepower and 10 Nm of torque. It's not the most powerful bike in its class, but it's more than enough for city riding, short highway stretches, and casual cruising. The engine is paired with a 5-speed gearbox, which is smooth and easy to shift, making it a great option for beginners or those just starting out on two wheels. One of the standout features of the Thunder 125 Retro is its overall rideability. It's lightweight and compact, weighing just around 130 kilos, which makes it incredibly easy to handle, especially in tight city traffic or when maneuvering around parking spaces. The seat height is set at a comfortable 780 millimeters, making it accessible for a wide range of riders, including those who may have shorter inseams. The suspension setup on the 2025 Thunder 125 is pretty basic but effective. It features telescopic forks at the front and twin shock absorbers at the rear, which provide a decent balance of comfort and stability. While it's not built for high-performance cornering or aggressive off-roading, it does a great job of soaking up bumps on urban roads and offering a smooth, comfortable ride on longer trips. Now, let's talk about the design, because the Thunder 125 Retro really nails the classic look. The retro styling is inspired by motorcycles from the 70s, with a round headlamp, a chrome exhaust pipe, and a beautiful vintage fuel tank. The bike comes in a few classic color options, like matte black, deep maroon, and vintage green, all with chrome accents that highlight its timeless design. The retro vibe is perfect for those who want a bike that stands out without looking too modern or overstyled. One of the most impressive things about the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is how well it combines modern technology with old-school charm. The bike comes with a fully digital instrument cluster that shows all the important information, like speed, fuel gauge, odometer, and trip meter. It's clean, minimal, and easy to read. The headlights and taillights are LED, which not only adds to the modern touch, but also ensures better visibility at night, improving safety. In terms of braking, the Thunder 125 is equipped with a disc brake at the front and a drum brake at the rear. While it's not the most powerful braking setup out there, it's more than adequate for a bike of this size and type. The bike also comes with an optional ABS system for added safety, especially when riding in wet conditions or on slippery surfaces. Now let's talk about fuel efficiency, because that's one of the biggest selling points of a 125cc motorcycle. The Suzuki Thunder 125 delivers excellent fuel economy, with an average of around 45–50 km/h, depending on riding conditions. With a 13-liter fuel tank, that gives you a solid range of over 500 km per tank, making it perfect for those long, relaxing weekend rides or for daily commuting without having to worry about refueling too often. In terms of pricing, the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro is incredibly affordable. In markets like the Philippines and Southeast Asia, you can expect the price to start around $2,200 USD. If Suzuki decides to bring the bike to India, we're looking at a price point of approximately Rs 1.25 to Rs 150 lakh, which is quite competitive when compared to other 125cc bikes in the market, such as the Honda CB125F or Yamaha FZ. So, who is the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro perfect for? It's an ideal choice for beginner riders or anyone looking for a simple, stylish bike that's easy to maintain and doesn't break the bank. It's also great for those who enjoy the classic motorcycle aesthetic and want a bike that offers both style and practicality. Whether you're using it for daily commuting, casual weekend rides, or just want something fun to ride, the Thunder 125 Retro is a fantastic option. That wraps up our review of the 2025 Suzuki Thunder 125 Retro. What do you think of this retro-inspired bike? Would you choose it over some of the more modern 125cc options out there? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with your fellow riders, and subscribe to BikeScout. For more reviews, bike news, and everything you need to know about the world of motorcycles. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.